Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are diving into the topic of what do I pack in my cruise carry-on bag for embarkation day. Now, having a well-prepared carry-on bag can make all the difference in making sure that you have a smooth start to your cruise vacation. So, in today's video, I'm going to share with you some items that you might be missing in your carry-on bag. Now, embarkation day can come with its fair share of challenges, from delayed luggage deliveries to limited access to your staterooms. It is crucial that you have your most important items with you on hand so you're not left without them. Number one, travel documents. Make sure that you have your boarding pass, visas, passports, marriage licenses, birth certificates, driver's license, any proof of identification that needs to go in your carry-on bag and not in your luggage that you give to the porters, because then you're going to be in a big problem and you won't be able to board the ship. Number two, make sure to have your medications with you in your carry-on. Now, these medications are including any prescription medications that you may take, any over-the-counter medications that you may need as well, including motion sickness medication. You want to have that on you and not in your luggage that you give to the porters. If you're on any inhalers for any respiratory issues, as well as if you use a CPAP machine for nighttime, you want to make sure that you have that with you on hand and not in your luggage that you give to the porters at the port. Number three, make sure that you have your swimsuit, sunscreen, or any type of pool clothing with you in your carry-on bag. A lot of people don't know that, especially if you have an early boarding time, that the pools are open. So you are free to go into the pools. So pack your swimsuit, your sunscreen, your hat, your sunglasses with you. And that way you can go ahead and you can change in any one of the public restrooms and already get into the pool and start having fun on your cruise vacation. Number four, piggybacking off of packing your swimsuit, make sure that you do pack a change of clothes as well. Once again, this is in the event that your luggage is delayed. So you want to make sure that you have some sort of other clothes to either change into for the remaining part of the day, or that way that you can, be able to go to dinner and you're not stuck in your swimsuit, or so if you need to go to dinner if your luggage still haven't arrived yet. So pack a change of clothes as well. So we're looking at swimsuit and a change of clothes in your carry-on bag. Number five, if you do drink alcohol, you have to bring your bottles of wine in your carry-on bag. Now, Royal Caribbean allows each adult in one cabin to bring one bottle of wine or champagne. So that'll be 2 bottles per cabin, okay? But it has to be in your carry-on bag. You cannot put it in your luggage that you give off to the porters. In addition to that, you are allowed, according to Royal Caribbean, to bring 12 cans, whether it be 17-ounce cans or so, according to the website, of non-alcoholic beverages as well, but only 12 cans of that. And that has to be in your carry-on bag, not in your luggage that you give to the porters. Number six, make sure that you have your valuables with you in your carry-on. Now we're talking about jewelry, your electronics, cameras, laptops, iPads, Kindles, anything of value to you that you do not want to get mistakenly broken or taken in any way, shape, or form. Keep it with you in your carry-on bag. You will not regret it. Number seven, remember to pack your portable chargers. Those chargers will be needed for the electronics that we talked about before. Your cell phones, your iPads, your computers, any of your electronic devices. You just want to make sure that you keep your portable charger with you as well, because you do not know when you'll have access to your room. So keep that on hand so that way you can keep using your devices throughout the day. Number eight, make sure to bring closed-toe shoes or sneakers, including socks, on embarkation day. That's if you're not already wearing them. Some people do forget, or they may not know, that a lot of the sports activities on the cruise ship is already open to the guests for them to use. For example, on Royal Caribbean ships, the zip lining is requires you to have closed-toe shoes as well as socks to be able to use it. Okay, so on embarkation day, you can already have first dibs on going on the zip line, going on the rock climbing wall, you know, because it's not packed away in your luggage that you gave to the porter. So keep that in mind and pack some closed-toe shoes so you to have on hand. Number 9, for the parents with the kids, make sure to pack snacks, their favorite toys, books, tablets, music that they listen to, anything that will keep them entertained until you are able to get into your stateroom. Also, keep in mind to pack, you know, some emergency wipes, diapers, change of clothes, shoes, sun protectant for the little one as well. So basically, they'll have their own carry-on bag and you will have your own as well. When it comes to the little ones. So that way you just never know by the time your luggage comes and your room is available, but at least you'll be prepared and you can keep them entertained in the meantime. Number 10, keep a mini toiletry bag with you. So in addition to the medications that I mentioned earlier, with this toiletry bag, make sure that you have, you know, just the basics like toothbrush, toothpaste. They have the nice disposable ones now, deodorant, body spray, anything like that, especially disinfectant wipes. You want to make sure that you have that on hand as well, because in the event that your luggage is delayed, at least you can freshen up, you know, with your face wash and body deodorant and brush your teeth or so prior to you going to dinner or anything like that. So that would be a good thing to have in your carry-on bag as well. With that said, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. And if there was anything here that was not mentioned that you include in your cruise carry-on bag, feel free to comment down below. We can all learn from each other. And as always, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Stay well and stay savvy. Bye for now.